on, y'all? Shigasi Paris, man. Today I'm in here. I ordered this cotton subs. It's a fabric material that you can heat press sublimation onto and put it onto a dark color shirt, light color shirt. Picked it up from TechBot Customs. We just doing an unboxing. Check it out. We're gonna do press it on a t-shirt just to see how it works out, see if it actually works, sticks. Man, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, man. Seek Paris. I'll see y'all in a second. So it's cotton subs, cotton sublimation transfer material. Picked this up from TechBot Customs. See what it is. Hope I don't cut nothing. Nope. So it's in the envelope. It's my invoice. It was $33.08 for 10 cotton sub sheets. So there's the price list in there. 10 sheets, $33.08, 30 sheets, $90.96, 50 sheets for $137.81. So you're supposed to be able to sub on this and be able to sub on cotton, dark or whatever. I only ordered the 10 just to see how it's gonna work out. I'm not even sure what it is. Let's see. Exactly. Oh, okay. So it's sublimation material, so polyester film. It's 10 of those. So this paper says this revolutionary technology now allows printing directly onto cotton material. Great for both light and dark colors with the super soft feel to the touch. Application directions. Pre-press the garment with your professional grade heat press for 5 to 8 seconds to eliminate wrinkles and moisture. Step 2, place the cotton sub with the rough side down on top of the garment. Okay, so yes, definitely this is the rough side. So you would place that down. Step 3, mirror print a design on sublimation paper. Step 4, if using a colored shirt, make sure your design completely covers the cotton sub or goes a little outside of the material, so no white is visible after application. If using a white shirt, make sure your design says inside the material to eliminate ghosting. Put the printed sublimation paper over the cotton sub. Press at 375 to 385 degrees for 60 seconds. Any temperature peel is fine. If using adhesive sublimation paper, a delayed peel is best. Wait at least 24 hours before washing. Turn inside out when you laundry. for longer lasting, best results. Hand wash inside out. After application, do not iron on top of the cotton sub. Direct heat will, I'm sorry, I ain't got my glasses on, reactivate the ink. If you need to press it, do it inside as out as well. If ironing on top of the material, put parchment, butcher, or regular paper on top of the cotton sub and iron as needed. We're gonna have to get us a test run. These are like this. Just want to measure this out, see how big it is. So the size is 16.5 by 11.5. So here we go with it. So it said the rough side down, and you can clearly feel it. What side is smooth, what side is rough. So I just cut one straight down the middle just to see how it goes. It's not wide enough. You don't know how this is gonna work out, but this is just a print, but it don't look right. But for the sake of practice, we're gonna run with it. So it said at 385 for 60 seconds. See what it did. It worked. Stretchy. With the material. It's not too bad. You can't really tell, it's just a piece on top of it. It's cotton sub. Picked that up at Tech by Customs. Yeah, that's not too bad. Just get it down, get the right print going and stuff, and yeah, it's gonna work. It's right there, man. It's not too bad. Pulled on it, stretched on it, look like it's gonna stick. You know, we're gonna see how I do. I didn't use the best print. That was a print I messed up on because the one I actually printed out was too small, so I just had that one, a print that came out bad. But anyway, we just put it down. It actually subbed on there. The material actually heat pressed onto the shirt. So that, I got it from Tech by Customs. Check them out. I got 10 of those for $33. $30. Like, comment, subscribe, man. See Paris 12 Gone Apparel. I'm gone.